in your other stuff I've watched, you say that the authors of Genesis and the Babylonians, Egyptians, they didn't. So the way they describe the world, whether it be like a goddess arched over,
Hmm.
uh, or the solid dome or whatever, the waters above the dome, that they didn't actually believe this, and it's rather I think like John Collins talks about it being phenomenological language, how
Yes,
to describe universe.
yes.
If so, if they didn't hold to that, what do you think? How do you think they conceived of the world? Or
Well, I think here we need to be very modest. I point out later on, we don't really know what the average man believed. Um, Probably some of them did believe it literally. Others may have taken it to be simply metaphorical or analogical or anti-realist. I try to show later on that in Babylon, at least, these descriptions were definitely understood figuratively and not realist, because Babylonian science was anti-realist. It was instrumentalist in nature, and they had no interest in a physical cosmology. And so these pictures you see of the firmament over the earth, held up by pillars and supports, is purely a figment of the modern imagination. I think we cannot confidently attribute these kind of literal beliefs to the ancients. They may have had a wide range of such beliefs.